Hey everyone, it's Brenda Quintana here. Today was day 3 of the bathroom renovation, and I think things went really well. We only had one worker here today, so not as much was accomplished, but the framing work was started, so I think that's pretty cool. I also made a slight adjustment to the closets, so that will be really nice. So let me show you what was accomplished today. So if we begin over the corner, nothing's happened with the closets. Again, that's where the bed was. And we'll move over to the bathroom area. So you can see now we've got kind of the doorway to the bathroom framed. And we've got the two former doorways to the closets have been framed up. Now this little closet, we had a little discussion about that. And originally, the width of the closet inside was only going to be the width of the doorway, which would have made it very small. But since the hardwood was still down there, I talked to the framer today, and he said that we could make it a little bit bigger. So I think you can't really see, but it's going to be a foot wider than it was supposed to be. And this closet inside the bathroom will be just a little bit smaller, but you can't see it. It's not completely framed up yet, but progress is being made. It's very subtle today. That's where the toilet will be. Over here on this exterior wall is where the vanity will be. And then over in the corner, or on that back wall there, that's where the shower will be. And so if we walk around here and we pretend there are no longer, we can no longer see through the studs, this will all be wall, and that will be wall. So I know it's kind of hard to get perspective because the changes today were really subtle, but I can start to see the shape of the bathroom. So I'm really excited. Still very excited. I love this whole process. This just really makes me happy. I love everything, every part of it. It doesn't bother me that they're gonna be here for weeks. It's really cool because every day there's a change that's gonna be made, and I love all of that. So thank you so much for watching this video, and leave me a comment and let me know what you think. And I'll keep filming as long as there's changes that are being made. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.